Welcome back, guys, to Fusionic Musicals, a place where you learn music in the simplest way. This is our second lesson of this basic course. In this lesson, we will learn how to use musical keyboard, how to play musical scale on a keyboard, and what are octaves. But before going ahead with this lesson, I hope you all have understood lesson 1 because if you know the concepts explained in lesson 1, then only it will be easier for you to understand this lesson. Those who have missed the lesson 1, then skip this lesson for now and check out the lesson 1 video first. So let's start. I want you to pause this video right now and download the Android app Walk Band from the Google Play Store because that app we will be using in this lesson. Those who are watching this video from my YouTube channel, I have given the link of the app in the description, and those who are watching the video from our website, the download button is right over there, on click of which it will take you to the App Store page. So if you have not yet downloaded the app, download it now. And try to download the app on some other phone if you are watching this video from your phone so that you can use the app while watching this video. So let's start now. What you can see here is the layout of how keys are there on the musical keyboard. Now most keyboards have 61 keys or buttons you can say, out of which 36 are white keys and 25 are black keys. Now let's open the app that we have just downloaded, Walk Band, and after opening the app you can see that there are various musical instruments that you can choose from. We will select the keyboard and you can see that there are keys similar to what layout we saw just now. Since all 61 keys cannot fit the phone's screen size, the app shows around 10 white keys and around 7 black keys. But you can see that the app has layout of all 61 keys over here. Here a part of keys are highlighted which are actually shown over here. You can move this part from left to right to highlight whichever part of the keyboard you want to play. You can see that the keyboard in the app are labeled with alphabets and numbers next to them. This is only for learning purpose. In actual instrument, if you see, such labeling is not there. If you can see what is highlighted, the label A4. A is the musical note that will play if you press this key, and 4 means this A note belongs to 4th octave. Now you might be thinking, what are octaves? An octave basically is a group of 7 musical notes. We have seen in lesson 1 that English alphabet from A to G are used to label the musical notes. Now don't get confused by octave with musical scale. Octave is a group of musical notes, but scale means how the musical notes are labeled or how they are arranged on the staff lines. If you can see this layout of keys of the keyboard, it shows that the keyboard keys are grouped into 5 octaves. And you can see that one key is highlighted with red color. This is called as middle C key because it plays the sound of the middle C musical note. If you see the musical scale, this note is middle C and it is the note below the staff lines with a small line on it. Now coming back to the layout, now why the name middle C? If you see that there are 5 octaves, and always remember the white key to the left of group of 2 black keys is a C note key. You can see that the C notes are highlighted with yellow color. They are the white keys to the left of 2 black keys. Like that, if you take the first key of each octave, that is C note of each octave, then C note of third octave becomes the middle key among them. That is, middle C note key that is highlighted in red is in the middle compared to other C note keys which are highlighted in yellow. So understood, right? Why the name middle C? So here you can see musical notes shown with respect to the keyboard layout in terms of octaves. The first octave is mostly used for playing the bass notes or the chords. Now what are bass notes or chords that we will see in upcoming lessons. Now let's play the scale. Make sure you have opened the app and we have arranged the keyboard in the app such that the first key that you can see is C3 key, that is C note key of third octave. We just saw that it is also called as middle C. Your app layout should look something like this, what I have shown. If not, then move the part on top, this part, towards your left or right so that you can get the C3 as the first key in the app window. So let's start playing the scale. So we'll start with C, D, E, F, G, A, B and C. So you can see that we have played the C note again, but this C note is different from what we played in the beginning. What we played just now is the C note from the fourth octave, and what we played in the beginning is the C note key from third octave. So you can see how the sound changes as you go from one octave to another. What we played just now is the ascending part of the scale. Now we'll play the descending part. For descending part, we will play the same notes and the same keys what we played for ascending, but in reverse order. So we'll start from this C and we play towards left till we reach the middle C. So we play B, A, G, F, E, D and middle C again. So this is a descending scale. So this is how middle C note sounds like. That is the C note from third octave. And this is how the C note from fourth octave sounds like. So we can see the difference even though they are notes with same letter but from different octave. One more thing to always remember is that as you read the notes from bottom of the staff lines going towards the top of the staff lines, you need to play these notes from left to right of the keyboard. And when you are reading the notes from top of the staff lines towards the bottom of the staff lines, you play them from right to the left of the keyboard. So that is all in this lesson. If you have any queries or questions, you can put them in the comment box and I will sort whatever doubts you have. Join a Facebook group where also you can post your queries and I will reply them back as soon as possible. And also you can learn from the queries posted by other students and you can learn from them. Also, the last thing that I want you to do is subscribe to our website. Our subscribers are the ones who can enjoy the benefits of participating in the various contests that we host and where the subscribers can win exciting prizes and gifts from Fusionic Musicals. So that's it. See you in the next video.